All right, so there's a couple things I can do today, kind of tidy up some things. I can take my leaf blower and blow some gravel out of stuff, but oh shoot, there's a pickup truck there. Gosh darn it. Well, not doing that today. We had so much snow that, I mean, we just had to shove and pile, push everything, and the ground never froze. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, that, what the hell were we doing pushing gravel towards that gas line? I don't know, but I mean, there's almost too much here to oh yeah, this crap. Half the piles froze. Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. And that's probably still froze. Oh, oh, good grief. Yeah. I doubt that the gravel's gonna do any good trying to get, yep. This is still froze. Gosh darn it. Yeah. I mean, I'm scraping for stuff to do, guys. I mean, I see there's a little bit over here yet. And I see this pile's all gone, so maybe I'll bring my blower and blow all this out. I know it takes a while to blow that stuff, you know, with the backpack blower, but at least you get it. There's a branch. There's a branch way down there that needs picked up, but again, the grass is too soft to drive in. So, yeah, and I'm scraping for stuff to do, so yeah, I'm not allowed in a haul truck no more, so yeah. I can't wait for Dad to come back and roll the roost. I guess I could clean up in this bin today and get this done. I guess. Maybe we'll do that instead. Maybe we'll do this instead. I like that idea better. Oh, let's see. I got enough. Oh yeah, I know I got enough cord. Yeah, I got enough cord and then some. Oh yeah, we're good. All right, so I'm in the bin here. Yeah, I know you guys probably aren't gonna be able to see anything. I got the ear protection on because I don't know how, well, I know it's gonna be noisy, but I just don't know how noisy. Not too noisy, but you know, I don't feel the need to be going deaf in my late 20s. I just don't. So I'm gonna get this all swept up around here and I'll be back. Boy, somebody sure made a mess. I had to take the end off the vacuum so I could get something done. I was farting around with this thing too much with that other end on it. And I'll put it back on if I need it. Little guy there. And we'll kind of just run this thing all over the floor here. But I think you guys kind of get the idea. and I'll bring you back. So I was gonna crawl up the ladder on the outside and open that bin up there, but I figured if, you know, something were to happen to me, then my family would never talk to me again. So I figured I'll stay around a little bit longer. Well, that wasn't too bad. Got a little bit stuck in the grates over here. I think it's right there. It's all stuck in the grates, and I ain't gonna worry about it coming out, but it's all out. That bin sweep can stay in there. We don't really have nowhere to put it. But get the shop back out of here and we'll go see what else we can do. We'll just get this out there and just dump the mess out here because, you know, it's gonna get cleaned up anyhow, so, and it'll get thrown in for the pigs. So why not just make the mess out here? Does anybody have a good idea for rolling these freaking cords up? Because they suck. They absolutely suck to roll up. So does anybody have any idea as how to roll up 100 foot of cord? I mean, this is just a freaking nightmare because, you know, one, it goes in on itself. Look at something round around here. That I could wrap this thing around. Tie it at one end. What about this here? Let me save this cover. I know it's gonna be freaking long. But, you know, I don't even think you guys are seeing anything. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, you are. Yep, I was wrong. But, you know, I got thinking, I'm like, well, you know, I know this ain't the real true way how to wind this monstrosity of a cord up, but it's how I'm going to do it, and I don't care what anybody else thinks. It could be something, you know, as simple as a truck rim or just anything like that to get the thing to, or what am I trying to say, to get the shape that you need to roll this thing up nicely. And I guarantee you that this is not going to be done nice. Well, it'll be done nice enough. And then sometimes people just take and hook the end back to their set to itself. I don't like doing that because, one, that's how the cord gets all messed up. I mean, it's nice to have 100 foot of cord because, well, I'll show you right where that truck is over there. A lot of times we've had to jump at 3010 and we go from that building to this building. Well, that's not 100 foot, but you know, it's nice to have that big cord. And now that I have figured out the easiest way that I know how to roll that monstrosity of a cord up, it's not so bad, because I used to just, you know, lay it on the ground and coil it in a circle, and it never came out right. But I got it this time. So, it's supposed to be 20s on Saturday. Rain tomorrow, Thursday, rain Friday. And then warm next week, but it's going to be a freaking mess.